Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. As y'all can see, man, look like the market pricing things in and they moving forward. If they putting the tariff thing behind them, know it's something we got to deal with later. But man, if you trying to make money, you got to put your money in the market anyway. Ain't no sense of taking it out because of bad times. Like I do get it, but man, what other places or where else can you put your money, invest your money, get these kind of returns and gains? I mean, probably outside of outside of real estate, and real estate is not for certain now. I mean, it's kind of rough now. I own real estate. I do rooming houses. I done had a room sit for over 8 months, just trying to get the right tenant, cause the future generation coming up, they don't want to work. So it's gonna sit till I get the right tenant too. Not doing no favors or anything, but man, then people losing their jobs, big companies. I'm sorry, doing layoffs. Got AI coming, taking jobs. No, some jobs not gonna be needed anymore. So it's gonna get a little ugly out here. It's gonna get very stink. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. You also got interest rate, inflation, stagflation, wars, and the other type of stuff going on. Don't let no hurricanes come and hit no oil refineries and stuff and let gas go and skyrocket up. And that's gonna cause more fire, put more fuel on the fire on the market. So it's just what it is. One thing about trading, whatever goes on in the world economy can affect the stock market. So remember that. All right, let's get to it. I know today bullish. Y'all probably thinking it's the day off, but we just gonna say this is a bull and actually an actual bull run, which is good. Okay, cool, fine. But you still got to ride the market up because some of your stocks, even though the stocks are bullish and going up, it's still below your average cost. So the only way to bring your average cost down is you got to buy those prices. Like I understand it's bullish, but you got to ride the stock up. Ride it up until it meets your average cost. And once it exceeds it, then you can sit on back and chill and not buy anything unless it's like the S&P 500 or buying whole long term and ETF for a stock play like Amazon or something. You just gonna buy for the longest and hold it. But yeah, man, you just ride it up to your average cost. Once it passes your average cost, then you can sit on back and chill because you'll be in profits then. When it dip that below it, once it passes, you chill, you cash up. Once it come below it, you just start accumulating again. I mean, plain and simple. All right, let's get to it, man. For one, me put it on do not disturb. All right, let's go. Let's get to trading. I'm gonna go with FIAT. Going with Fiat. Fiat down to like $5.07. I think got down to 503 today. So with this down, I mean Coinbase is up. I did get $3 of this earlier. I'm gonna get $1 while I'm online trading just to add on to it. This does pay out monthly. It is volatile. OXSQ. I'm gonna just get my 100 shares in Fiat, just reinvest the dividends. So that is my game. Well, my plans with it. I'm sorry. OXSQ got down to 228. Y'all know this 3.5 cents a share a month. I actually had about 4 different buy limit orders go in. I'm gonna get another 5 at 228 while I'm online with y'all. I don't mind this one. Look like it's about to start running up too. And I'm bounce back going up to 233 now, which is still a buy. Still gonna get my 5 or 10 shares a day. Another one I want y'all to get is OXLC. Pays 9 cents a share a month. I'm just gonna show y'all the stock. Put your buy orders in at 439. This paid 9 cents a share a month. This one of my bangers in my Weeble portfolio. Got over 12,000 shares. Paying me over $1,000 a month. PSCC Prospect Capital got down to 314, and this on this way back up. I do have a buy order in at that price. I'm gonna buy it daily. I'm just gonna watch it, buy it at the daily low, because you can get a red day tomorrow, something come out or whatever happens wrong, and the stocks go back down. ORC already got my 1,000 shares, but still in buy range. I like this below the $8 mark. 691, 12 cents a share a month. That's what I mean by riding it up. It's at 693. I got an average cost of 10, 13. You might see my total return is down $3,443. This thing is getting beat up. This stock has no business really trading below the $8 mark, to be honest. But as this go up, my total return go up, and it don't look as bad. But you got to see I've been getting dividends on this for the last 6 years. So you got to look at the total return on that. ARR 24 cents a share a month, so buy at 19 and under. It's on its way up too, so I'm just do $3, just accumulating just to ride it up. If it go back low, I do the $5 or $10 a day. QYLD, I buy at 17 and under, 17 cents a share a month. It's gonna go back past that $17 mark quicker than you know it. We're gonna get RYLD. It's about 14.5 cents a share a month. It's gonna go back above the $16 mark. I like it at 16 and under. Just ride it up, doing the $3 a day with all of them. I know I did 5 with QYLD. Didn't mean to, but I don't have my 1,000 shares of that yet. XYLD, about 38 to 40 cents a share a month. Trading at 38.56. So we get $3 worth for everything. That's all I do. Get cash up. Instead of doing 5, SVOL, pay 27.33 cents a share. Why am I buying this? And I check out this. It's at $17.99. I'm actually up $16.669. But this got a 52-week high of $22.84. This gonna go back to $23. So you looking at the price now, say $18 to that. I got a $5 a $5 share gain between this. So between the price it is now and the 52-week high. I like that at 18 and under anyway. IVR, it's another REIT I'm gonna get rid of, riding this one up. I say hold out, man. Put your money in a I do the AGNC, or I do the ABR or ARR. There's other REITs I can go at. I mean, market cap. I mean, they done had like two dividend cuts. I know since I've been trading it. So like I said, I'm gonna get on. Think this one I might get on out of this one. I don't know. I might consider keeping it. Depends, man. We're gonna see, but I know I'm gonna operate a little leaner on my REITs. I know I got at least 6 on them. I'm gonna cut off. USOI pays out monthly. I like this at 663 and under. I'm hoping this will ride back up to that $70 range. We are going at NLY. It's annually. Like I said, if I do the IVR, I'd rather do annually. Just looking at the market cap. Market cap of this 11.5 billion with IVR was like 500,000. So you're talking about a big difference when times get rough and that rent not getting paid. Now look at USOY, and this got down to 928 in the pre-market. I put a buy order in for 5 shares at that price, but at 963, you can't beat this below the $10 mark. I'm at 1201, down 19%, 63. I done got that money back in dividends, so I ain't tripping on that. Western Union got down to 917 today. It's at 940. I'm going in on a whole share on this one. I'm gonna put in 917 and 908. I'm going 5 at 917. 24 hours. I'm gonna go in at 5 at 908. But this gonna go play around the $10 mark. 5 9.08. Another one down we're gonna look at is Nike. Still trading below the $63 mark. Trying to ride Nike on up. Should have been taking advantage of it. It was around that 60-ish for y'all. I was getting like $10 a day of it. Go with GOGL. It's going to be a nice swing trade here. It's still this one here going up. I like it $8 and under. Get $2 worth because it's kind of bullish today. Save that extra dollar for another day when it's down. SLVO. Watching the video, somebody I follow, man, he about to invest hard in silver. So he thinks silver gonna go up in the $100 range. I think silver trading right now about $31 a share. I got some physical silver billion balls I own, but I'm just holding them. I think I might got about 50 ounces or a little less, between 30 and 50, somewhere in there. I got some 10-ounce billion balls and some 5-ounce balls and some single ones. But I was going to leave them just for the kids because I don't need the money. But if it go up to that, I'm going to sell it and buy SLVO. I like this one because it does options on silver. You get paid for silver without owning any. So I'm actually up in this. But this one y'all can do, just want to show you. I thought I was down in it, but I'm up, so I'm going to leave it alone. OPI. I put a buy order in at 18 cents. This is going to be a nice swing trade. Also, this is an office REIT. Y'all might want to stay out of this one because I plan on holding this one for a while. So, and it pays out quarterly. It's better monthly dividends plays you can get in, like QYLD, RYLD. I put my money there, and it's not risky. I'm going to trade myself out of OPI. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. I already got 1,000 shares. So I'm just averaging on down. And you see I'm at 990, 1,047 shares. 52-week low is 912. Might start getting $5 a day of this one. No, I ain't going to be greedy. Dow, DOW. I already got my 1,000. That was my goal. I need to get 1,000 to QYLD also. 27.90. I'm at $44. See if this come back down. Need to lower my average cost. DEA is another one I want to meet in the middle, lowering my average cost. I'm at 27.32, 21.84. This how you trade, man. Gotta have you a nice strategy. AGNC. And that's why I'm using margin now, because see how this market going up. Once everything levels out, I'm not going to be buying. So I'm doing. Then my dividends will pay the margin balance back. By itself, the little bit of margin that I did use. And that's how I operate and trade and grow my portfolio on other people's money. One thing about the stock, when it go up, I can always trade it, sell it too, and get out and pay the margin back faster. But I'd rather hold on and collect the dividends, milk them dividends a couple months, and let it get this 52-week high. Then I sell them. I scalp profits. Now to go back to paying back the margin anyway. Rinse and repeat. Grow your portfolio. Probably not gonna be a lot going on. Checking the traps, like I say. Today green, so I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna side eye. These just some stocks I like buying every day. My reason of being, charge point up 12.5%. They must have got some good news on something. I got 2,282 shares at $1.13. So I'm waiting on this to make some noise. That's why I tell y'all accumulate. If y'all been buying it in them 660s, y'all should be up. One thing about charge point, they gonna swing trade it anyway. So it's probably gonna come back down. Yeah, I got my portfolio. I have a couple things I'm going to clean up. Got Lionel Basel still in the buy range. 9.5% yield. So I'm going to ride this and meet this in the middle. RVSB, I'm about to get out of that one. GLDI to show y'all this options on gold. This one you can hold it. Just get paid monthly dividends for having it. As you see, I'm up, so not gonna bother it. These are the kind of plays you want for passive income. Walmart trading at the $99 mark. See everything up for the day. GOOY options on Google. This one I think I'm going to get out of because the dividend yield, not all that. Still pay like 34, 37 cents a month. It's just less volatile than the others too. So 12.16, I'm at 12.96. This one I said I was going to chill out on buying. But I like Google, but I don't physically own it. I own it, well, not in a single stock. I own it in the ETF. So let's see. I'm looking at SCHF. This is the International Charles Schwab Fund. 21.96, 21.69. 52-week high is 21.83. So it's trading near it. Excuse me, but I got this on $1 a day recurring, so it's gonna buy it every day anyway. So that's it, man. Signing off. Go get your money, man. Y'all stay safe out there. It's a crazy world we living in today. I'm out. Holler later. Go get your money.